Hello friends, today we are going to make healthy falafel. Traditionally, falafel is prepared by deep frying in oil. But let us see how to prepare a healthier version of falafel today. Let's start by adding all the ingredients into a mixer jar. Boiled chickpeas, salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, this is optional, parsley leaves, garlic and lemon juice. Also add some red chili powder, cumin seed powder and black pepper powder too. Now grind everything into a paste without adding water. Add the powdered oats and mix well. The falafel mixture is ready now. Take small portions and make falafel patties. We can make small or big patties as per our preference. Cast iron pan with some oil. You could use a normal baking tray instead. Place the falafel patties onto the pan and bake it in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove the falafels from oven, apply little more oil on the falafels and continue baking for 15 more minutes. Here are our healthy falafels, ready to serve. Falafel with hummus as a side is a best combination.